And Oliver's got a little sample here, and what are you looking at?
There's a worm in here.
Aw. Tiny.
Yeah, it's a tiny little guy.
What color?
It's sort of a reddish color.
Oh. That's good news. Okay, you want to go through putting this little sample together? We won't put the worm in there.
Yep. So I'm gonna get this dirt.
It's not dirt, Oliver, it's soil.
Oh yeah, soil. Well, you don't want sort of big organic matter.
So he's just putting the sample together, getting it up to 1 ml on this little syringe. And once he's got it to 1 ml, put in there, then he's going to press it to compact it. And any excess stuff beyond the ½ ml, making sure that it's flush with the end of it. You don't want to have it indented. Then that's our sample size. So this is our second sample, and Oliver's just pouring in the powder, extraction powder. Filling the measurement container, 9.5 mils, right to the top. Pouring that into the test tube. And then adding the soil sample, the ½ ml pop. And then he will be mixing it for 30 seconds. And then after that, he'll let it sit for 5 minutes. And then we'll tap down so the solids go down. And then let it sit for another 15 minutes.
And our sample is ready. This one is B3. I'm going to put this just below the layer with all like the tiny bits of like organic matter. I'm just gonna squeeze, and then I'm sort of gonna just squeeze it out again, because all the microbes sort of just get stuck on the side. So that should be good. This one back, and then you've got this little card here, and you don't want to go like super fast and put 3 drops right away. Sort of let it soak in, and start the first one and let that soak for a second. Do the second one, do that, and then the third one, and boop, and then press that. That one is B3, accept, and I'm just gonna clean it up, and then you get all your data recorded right there.
Great. Okay.